Hi everyone, I am Susie Towsey. I am your instructor for your CJ 101 class. I want to welcome you to the class as we get ready to start week 2. I just wanted to go over a few things with you so that you're aware of how to kind of navigate. So I know that most of you have already posted in our week 1 discussion, but I'm going to show you just to help you get familiar with this. So to go to our discussions, we're going to click on discussions, and in here they have Ask the Professor. If you want to contact me, this is not a good place to do that because it doesn't alert me that you've sent an email. Let me move me around so you can see my face a little bit better. Oh, like over here. Okay. So let me move down, and right here is our week 1 discussion. So I'm going to click on that, and each week I will post a discussion, and then you will click the reply button, as I will demonstrate right here. So here is my post, which there'll be one later on here that for week 2 that'll start. You'll click on this, and then you will see my post for the week. And please read it. It'll help you give some direction about what I'm looking for. And a lot of times I put videos in there, so have fun with that. And then you will see the reply button here, and you will just click on this to reply. And so if I was you as a student, then this is where I would post my original discussion. And then you just click submit over here, and then it'll submit your discussion to the week. Let me go back and show you. So go to the announcements so that you can see the weekly announcements. Make sure that you look at that. Let me move my little face out here so you can see. Okay, and then always when you submit your papers, I want to make sure that you always look at your feedback. So in this course, I'm trying to get you ready for your upper level classes. So I'm going to give you instructions on how to format your paper and how to write a title page. And I give some videos, I put some videos in here on how to create an introduction. So what I don't want on your introduction is I don't want you to say something like, in this paper, I'm going to tell you about XYZ. What I would like you to do is create an introduction that was intriguing and interesting, that catches the reader's eye, that brings them into the paper, and then you go through and talk about your topics. So obviously, I am an online instructor, and I am online quite a bit. So if you ever need to reach out to me, get a hold of me, please send me an email. That's the best way to reach me. But however, if you want to talk to me on the phone, that's good too. I will also have some Blackboard Collaborate opportunities, and I think our first one is this Saturday from noon to 1, that's Central Standard Time. So join me for that too, and welcome to the class.